Very good evening and welcome to KTN Business. I'm Abi Agina. Let's now take a look at what stories have been making headlines. Despite the limitless potential in the country's insurance sector, the penetration levels have stagnated at just 3% of GDP for the last 10 years. But winds of change are now blowing the way of the sector as banks move in to unlock the sector's greater potential. But just what will this partnership mean for the sector and the economy? KTN's Adelaide Chongole tells us more.
The country's financial services sector has been on an upward trajectory, far outstripping the country's economic growth rate. However, the insurance sector has remained stagnant, contributing just 3% of GDP for the last 10 years. But Kenya's changing economic profile is bringing with it good tidings for the sector.
We can pride ourselves of being number 4 in Africa.
This growth has made the country a hotbed of activity as players jostle for a piece of the growing pie. And now even banks are joining the fray, rolling out bank assurance services as they seek a foothold in the bounding sector. Among them is KCB, which has unveiled the KCB Insurance Agency that it hopes will not only deepen the insurance sector, it will also bring in more business for both the bankers and players in the insurance sector.
Bigger picture is that we will bring in more customers, increase the level of the sector, increase the revenue levels, provide more services in the industry.
However, the entrance of the banking sector into insurance has been received with some misgiving, with some insurance players saying it poses a threat to the survival of the sector. But the insurance regulator has dismissed this argument.
The distribution network that we enjoy as KCB is lacking in a lot of partners that we are working with in the insurance industry. And therefore, we need to be that partner that is able to harness insurance business across the corners of this country where the other players have not been able to reach.
Instead, he says the banks can utilize the already established agency networks to enhance the penetration of insurance in the country, which will be beneficial to both the banks and insurance providers.
With only 5,000 insurance agents in this market, the market today is at about over 130 billion Kenya shilling. So if we are able to bring on board all the mtaani agents, then I think there is a huge future ahead of us.
The new KCB Insurance Agency will be working with established insurance companies to offer 7 different varieties of insurance, including property, liability, motor, healthcare, agriculture, micro, and marine insurance. The agency will also offer risk management and insurance advisory services to its clients. Adelaide Chongole, KTN Business.